This is a home door open automatic system by using temperature and the oxygen. This is the oxygen sensor. If the oxygen level will be low, automatically door will be open. This is a sliding door, it will be open automatically. So this is a DC motor, 12 volt, 90 watts, 60 RPM, permanent DC motor. This is a rack and bring mechanism. This is a battery, 12 volt, 7 Ah battery. This is the oxygen sensor. This is the temperature sensor, thermocouple. This is GSM modem. So you have to put the CSM SIM here. The SIM direction is, so this is the SIM direction. So you have to put the SIM here. So that time the message will be coming automatically. 2 number is given, so that message will come. This is the 2 relay. So this is Arduino microcontroller. This is the display. Now the temperature is 36.25. Whenever the temperature will be raises, it will heat. When above the 40 degree, automatically door will be open. Automatically door will be open. The temperature will be raising. Automatically door will be open. Door and window will be open. And already SMS also sending. Now the SMS is sending to the registered mobile number, but here not putting the SIM card. If you have to put the SIM card, then automatically the SMS will be going to the student's number. Automatically will be going. So this is the microcontroller board. This is the frame. This is the sheet metal frame based door open close mechanism. Door window will open automatically. So above 40 degree Celsius, the door will be open automatically. After that, the temperature will be reducing. Then you go to press the switch. This is the manual door closing system. You go to press the switch, the door will be closing manually. Next here. So this is the oxygen level. If the oxygen level will be low, the here heat having the light will be glow. The adjustment also is there. Demo purpose. The light will be glow, door will be automatically open. The oxygen level will be low. When smoke anything is automatically door will be open. SMS is sent to the registered mobile number. So this is the oxygen level sensor. After SMS going only you go to, after that only you go to press the button. Now the SMS is sending. They are sending the message is coming. SMS sending. After that, because oxygen level will be detected. Now the temperature is coming. Then you go to press the button to close the door. So this is the concept of oxygen and temperature level based SMS alert to the door window automatic open system with the alert system. So this is the project. Thank you.